There you guys go. Say something.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was awesome.
Finally, we got you doing that. Can you do that again for us?
Yes.
This is amazing.
Incredible.
Please
Thank
try.
you so much.
One more time. Can you try? Whoever's here that can do that to the speaker, please try it again. Tell us your name. There you go, you're almost doing it. Let everybody know. I'm trying to. Please try to do it again.
Almost.
I got a piece of it in the video, but I had to start the recording again just to get that white note right when they did it. So I did get some of it. Can you please try to do that again, please? He said I'm trying to again. Thank you. That's all unedited, guys. That's what I've been trying to catch forever. YouTube subscribers can now see what the white noise is. Yeah, conversation. Thank you, guys. Who can do that? Who is it that's doing that?
Sound like they said don't.
Ed, is that you doing that?
Me, like it was somebody else.
Thank you guys so much for doing that. Finally, thank you very, very much. I'll pray for you guys. Is there a possibility you might be able to do it again? Hey, when you guys lift up that cord so everybody knows that that's actually attached to this speaker so they know I'm not... That's actually attached to the speaker so you guys know. And it's running. Well, I can't really see it. It's dark, but it's attached to the damn speaker.
Definitely.
You can put it down though. You guys say something else for us through that white noise again? Can you make that white noise once more, please? You said white. That's what we call that. We have a name so that way we can ask you to do it if you wanted to.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you for doing that white noise for us, okay?